So this question was asked in GATE 2015, set 2. A computer system implements a 40-bit virtual address, page size of 8 kilobytes and 128 entry translation look aside buffer, organized into 32 sets, each having 4 ways. Assume that the TLB tag does not store any process ID. The minimum length of the TLB tag in bits is. Hey guys, I'm Pratik. Let's solve this one. So let's see what is given in the question first. So here it is mentioned that the virtual address is 40 bits. Then we know about the page size, which is equal to 8 KB, or we can write it as 2 to the power 13 bytes. Okay, then they are saying that there are 32 sets. So here, in order to solve this question, we must have the knowledge of 2 topics. Okay, so first one is memory management. We must have the knowledge about memory management, and then we must have to know about the cache memory, that how cache memory is divided or what kind of mapping they are using in cache memory. So we must have the knowledge of these 2 topics. Okay, suppose that this one is the cache, or let's consider that the TLB is a cache memory. Okay, so the cache memory is divided into 128 lines, or we can say 128 blocks. Consider that each line is a block, and the cache memory or TLB is divided into 128 blocks. And as they are saying that there are 32 sets, so we can say that this is the set associate cache. Okay, so the cache having 128 blocks, and these 128 blocks are divided into 32 sets, and each set there are 4 blocks, because it is mentioned that 32 sets and each having 4 ways. It means that in each set there are 4 blocks, means those 128 blocks are divided into 32 sets and each set is having 4 blocks in it. Okay, so in set associate cache, the virtual address is divided into 3 parts. First one is the tag, then there is set offset, and then there is word offset. So set offset gives the number of bits required to represent the set, and then word offset gives the number of bits required to represent the block in that set. So now we have all the information, but we doesn't know anything about the cache or TLB block size. Okay, we don't know about the block size yet. So here comes the paging part. So we know that in paging, block size is equal to page size. In paging, we divide the memory into fixed size block, and each block size is equal to page size. Okay, in order to reduce the internal fragmentation, we divide the memory into the fixed block size, which is of equal to page size, and then we keep those pages into those fixed size blocks. Okay, so in paging, page size is equal to block size, and we know that the page size is 8 KB, so we can say that cache or TLB block size is also 8 KB, which is equal to 2 into 2 to the power 13 bytes. So now we know that there are 32 sets, which is equal to 2 to the power 5 sets. So we can use this 5 bits as a set offset. So we know that the block size is equal to page size, and page size is equal to 8 KB, which is also equal to 2 to the power 13 bytes. So we can use this 13 bits for the word offset. Okay, so when we minus this 5 bits and 13 bits from 40 bits, we will get 22 bits. So we can use this 22 bits for the tag. So the minimum length of TLB tag is 22 bits.